Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk. So, if you're clicking on this video, you're interested in learning how to separate the vocals from the music background. And I'm going to go one step further. I'm going to show you that, and I'm going to show you how to separate the audio from a video. And I'm going to show you how you can easily download the video. Let's get to it. I don't want to waste your time. So go ahead and copy the link from the description below and paste in whatever browser you're going to use. So I'm going to tell you right now, I can't play this back for you because the recording software that I'm using right now will not detect my speaker, but I'm going to show you what exactly you have to do. So just click Browse My Files and select the audio file that you want to use. And I'm using a Lewis Capaldi. I don't know if y'all are a Lewis Capaldi fan, but I am. But anyways, typically we'll upload really quick. Now, you'll see that the volume is up on the music. Well, if you want both of them, you can turn them up and it'll play music and vocals. If you want just the vocals, you need to turn down the music, and then you can click this. You're not going to hear it because, like I said, it won't pick up my speakers. I'm on my laptop, but trust me, it works. So if you want the vocals, just turn this up and then go over here to save and select vocal. And then it will download. You'll see that it's downloading up here, and I'm not going to play the file for you because it will not work. So let me show you really quick how you can easily download or separate audio from a video. If you have the video on your computer, um, you can just upload it into this application, and the application is free, and it's called the AnyVideo Converter. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. If you don't have any video converter installed, I got the link down in the description. Go ahead and click on it, install it. It's really, really fast. This application is absolutely amazing. No, I'm not a sponsor. I'm just an avid user of it. I use it all the time. So if you are looking to separate audio from video and you have it on your computer already, go ahead and click Format and Convert, and then select the file from wherever you have it. And then you're going to go ahead so I have this Lewis Capaldi right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure this is MP3 and it's MP3 down here. I think you could probably do auto too, but then you're going to go ahead and hit start. And regardless of the size, it should go pretty quick. And then you can just select view output file and it'll be right there for you. You can copy it to wherever you want to copy it to. So if you don't have it downloaded and you need to download it, this AnyVideo Converter does a really good job of downloading videos from online, but keep in mind, copy protected material is still copy protected. So using this to download from YouTube is absolutely forbidden. They don't allow anybody to, even if it's Creative Commons, teaching somebody to download from YouTube, they really frown on it. But you click on the, not sure if you saw that, but if you, on the home tab, click on video download and then just paste the URL right here, and you're going to click analyze. It'll take a minute for it to analyze. This time you are not going to click start. You're going to click add to workflow. And once it's done, you're going to go ahead and hit the start button. And then you should see it start downloading it. Now, if this is a really, really long video that you download, like if it's a movie or something like that, it's going to take significantly longer, so you be patient. But if it's just a audio file or a video for a music video, it should go pretty quick. And then you can just click view, and that's pretty much it. So if this helps you, please consider liking and subscribing and share with all your friends. All right, thanks for watching. Appreciate it.